Gentlemen, let me ask you something honest. After 60, do you sometimes feel like your body just doesn't keep up anymore? The energy you once had is slipping away. Sleep feels shallow and restless, and maybe, deep down, you're worried about losing the very thing that makes you feel like a man, your potency and vigor. If that sounds familiar, stay with me, because in this video, I'll reveal the nighttime vitamin that could restore your brain power, fuel your energy, and yes, even bring back the kind of deep sleep and manly confidence you thought was gone forever. This isn't hype, it's science, and once you understand how this vitamin works in your body, you'll see why so many men over 60 are calling it a game changer. So click away. The next minutes may be the most important ULL watch this week. Here's the truth. After 60, your body goes through changes you can't ignore. Testosterone naturally dips, muscle mass shrinks, sleep hormones get weaker, and suddenly, what used to be easy energy during the day, strength in the gym, confidence in the bedroom, feels like a daily struggle. But here's the good news. Nature gave us powerful tools, and one of the simplest, most overlooked tools is a vitamin you can take at night, one that supports brain health, boosts circulation, helps your body relax into deeper sleep, and restores that masculine edge. And in just a moment, I'll tell you exactly which vitamin it is. But before I do, hit that subscribe button and join our community of strong, healthy men over 60 who refuse to slow down. Every week, I share natural, science-backed tips to help you live with energy, confidence, and vitality. Now, let's get into it. Why do so many men over 60 lose their edge? It comes down to 3 key factors: declining blood flow, your arteries stiffen with age, starving muscles and vital organs of the circulation they need, weakened sleep cycles. Without deep sleep, your body can't rebuild, your brain can't recharge, and your hormones can't rebalance. Oxidative stress, decades of wear and tear damage your cells, making you feel tired, weaker, and older than you really are. But the right nighttime vitamin helps fight all 3 of these. It improves circulation, it calms your nervous system for deep, restful sleep, and it protects your cells from damage, giving you back that vigor you thought was gone. So what is this vitamin? It's magnesium, one of the most powerful, underrated nutrients for men over 60. Now, before you think, oh, magnesium, I've heard of that, stay with me, because most men are getting it wrong. They either aren't taking enough, or they're taking the wrong type, and that's why they're not feeling the results. Here's what makes magnesium so incredible. It relaxes your blood vessels, improving circulation and supporting potency. It activates GABA receptors in your brain, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It supports testosterone production, fueling strength, stamina, and manly vigor. And it reduces stress and anxiety, giving you calm confidence in every part of life. Imagine going to bed, falling asleep without tossing and turning, waking up refreshed, and feeling your energy, your drive, and yes, your manly confidence return. That's what the right magnesium at night can do. Let me share a quick story. One of my patients, George, 67 years old, came to me complaining of poor sleep, constant fatigue, and low confidence. He had tried caffeine, sleeping pills, even energy drinks. Nothing worked. I suggested he start taking the right form of magnesium before bed. Within 2 weeks, George called me and said, "Doc, I can't believe it. I'm sleeping through the night, for the first time in years. I wake up feeling like myself again. And, let's just say my wife is noticing a big difference. That's the power of magnesium, and George's story isn't unique. Thousands of men over 60 are rediscovering their vigor with this simple mineral. Here's the science. Nearly 70% of adults are deficient in magnesium, and the deficiency rate is even higher for men over 60. Why? Because aging reduces absorption, and common medications like diuretics, blood pressure pills, and even heartburn drugs drain magnesium from your body. Without enough magnesium, your sleep hormone melatonin struggles, your muscles stay tense, your blood pressure rises, and your testosterone takes a hit. But the fix is simple. Take magnesium at night, not just any form. Look for magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate, because these are better absorbed and better for the brain. So how do you take it? Timing: 1 to 2 hours before bed. Dosage: around 300 to 400 milligrams for most men, but always check with your doctor if you're on medication. Pair it with a small protein-rich snack or herbal tea to maximize absorption. And here's the kicker. Magnesium doesn't just improve sleep. Men often report stronger workouts, calmer moods, and yes, a powerful return of potency and bedroom confidence. Quick question for you. Have you ever tried magnesium before bed? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the tips that keep men over 60 strong, sharp, and confident. Now, maybe you're thinking, it can't be that simple. But sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most powerful. Your body is designed to thrive with the right nutrients. You don't need expensive pills or risky drugs. You just need to give your body what it's been missing. Magnesium is the nighttime vitamin that can help you reclaim potency, the strength and manhood you deserve. Vigor, the stamina to enjoy your days and nights fully. Deep sleep, the foundation of energy, health, and confidence. So gentlemen, here's the truth. Life after 60 doesn't have to be a slow decline. You can restore your energy, your confidence, and your manly power, naturally, safely, and effectively. Start with this one step tonight. Add magnesium. And if you don't have magnesium yet, to make it easier, you'll find my personal recommendation in the video description. And in a few weeks, you may wake up to a life that feels younger, stronger, and more alive than you thought possible. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health strategies that keep men over 60 thriving. And don't miss my next video, where I'll reveal the morning drink that boosts circulation, energy, and clarity in men over 60. It's the perfect partner to tonight's vitamin, and together, they could completely change how you feel. Until then, stay strong, stay confident, and remember, age is just a number when you fuel your body the right way.